We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?
Good morning, guys. How are you all doing? Welcome to another vlog. Today is our photo shoot day. I want to maximize today to do my own personal professional shoot, then do like a family shoot, and then also do like a professional shoot for my husband as well. So we're doing like 3-in-1 shoots today, and I have less than 1 hour to get ready. So I want to do my hair, do my makeup, then get my kids ready at the same time. So that's the plan for today. When it comes to laying my hair down, I think I've cracked the code for it. So for me now, it takes me less than like 5-10 minutes to lay down my hair, thanks to the glue. I remember when I started off doing like hair content, like doing my hair by myself, it would literally take me like 1 hour just to get it right, because I had no idea like where to place the glue, how far down to go, like down my forehead and all of that. But now, like, it's just automatic. I just spray without even measuring or using anything, and then when I'm done, I do some touch-ups. So like installing my hair takes me like maximum 10 minutes, and I love that this melting sprays, like, they dry off really fast, so it helps the process. For my makeup today, we're gonna keep it very neutral, so it's gonna be like my everyday makeup, but I want it to be super flawless. So it means that we're going to be using more foundation that I would typically use, just so that we have that beautiful flawless finish. Right? Sometimes when I do my everyday makeup for filming or for going out or like for events, I like to use minimum foundation, but today we're going to really go all in. So let me just put this down as well. Literally less than 5 minutes. It's 2 minutes now, and I'm still going to use another layer over the lace, but this one should get the first melt. So when it comes to melting, I melt my wigs like about 3 times. So this is the first one, then I go over it with another layer of spray, and then I go over it with another melting spray as well. So this is what this looks like here. Let me use my melting band to melt that down. My eyebrows are looking crazy. Probably one of the worst eyebrows I've done in a while. I'm gonna leave it, maybe come back to it later, and let me do my eyes first so that I don't waste time. The deal is to be done by 10:30, and this is currently 10:19, so I have 10 more minutes to go. my lashes. Popping. I want to use this loose powder that I got from So Pro Cosmetics on my eyes. Oopsie, it's like pixie dust. I want to get like that beautiful wet. I'm just putting that over the brown eyeshadow that I used. Just a little bit of shimmer because I want to still look glam, subtle, but not like I'm going for a party, because I still want to take like a professional shoot, but I want my eyes to have a bit of sparkle. Do a little bit of highlighting on my cheeks, just right here. It's currently 10:29, so technically I've been doing my makeup for 29 minutes now, which is crazy. To think that I did a full glam in 30 minutes, or let me say 35 minutes. Right? So I think I need an extra 2 minutes. So I should be right on time, 2 to 5 minutes. I just need to pop on my lashes and I'm done with my makeup, and then set my entire face, and then I'm done with my makeup. I'm not going to do my lips. My lips will be the last thing I do, because I do the same thing, brown liner and like a pinkish nudish gloss. Beautiful. Once I put on my lashes, I'm pretty much done. Then I could do my hair, pick up my outfit, and then style my kids. Oh, I just remembered that I didn't use a black liner and my waterline. So that's the last step. That's the last thing remaining. I need to use a black liner. Gosh, my office is such a mess. I don't even know where I want to start from. It is a I am so proud of myself for keeping to time. I would probably only need like maybe another 20 minutes to style my hair. Right? Probably need another 20 minutes, but I want to do the heavy duty work first before I do my hair. My hair will probably be the last thing I do. Yeah, I'm done with my face. I'm going to use this spray to seal everything in. Whew. Whew. Something I've learned from using this spray is you don't want to squeeze your face while doing it, because it would, this is, I think there's a glue inside this, or like a bonding agent inside this that just glues the makeup onto your face. So sometimes when I squeeze my face and I try to relieve my face, I feel that glue tacky texture. My makeup is done. I'm gonna do other things, come back and complete the makeup look. I feel like I want to do one more spray. Feels like the curls is not even curling. I'm not wasting my time doing this. Hey guys, so we just got back home. Today was a very productive day. We were able to do a couple of shoots. I did my own personal professional shoot. Hopefully it turns out looking amazing. I'm looking at myself on this white background. I'm thinking I want to do I'm thinking I want to do another one probably in my office, but we'll see how it goes. We had like a family shoot and I'm sure you guys would have seen it by now, and it was so good. I loved it. The kids were cooperating, and this was one I was dreading the most, so it was easy and I'm so happy about that. And I did 2 shoots, so yeah, I'm going to probably wash off this makeup. I'm thinking I want to even redo the shoots. I don't know, because I kind of like what I look like against the background here, but I think that's just me overdoing, right? So yeah, I don't know, like everywhere in my house is a complete mess. Things are upside down, and I think I need to use between today and tomorrow to kind of get things situated, because it's not looking nice at all. I can't even lie, it's not looking nice at all. So yeah, my office, I'm trying to organize it and also like keep things I'm not using, and things that I'm not using, I want to like give it away. Things that I'm gonna use, like keep it. Like I'm trying to just declutter, pack and reorganize basically. Cassie, why do you turn off the light? You want to sleep? Do you want to sleep? Do you want to go pee pee?
Yeah.
No, go and pee pee. Pee pee in your potty. Pee pee in your potty? You want to pee pee here? This one is too big for you. It's too high. Pee pee in the potty on the floor. Cassie can climb on the bed himself. Cassie does not need help. You're a big boy now. Okay? Climb on the bed yourself. Try again. Try again. I shall not take another picture like this.
Mama, I did it.
Yes! Good job, Carson.
Mama, did you take it?
You want to do it again? Like, I'm thinking I want to take another picture. I don't know why. It's just me overdoing it. Let me see what it looks like on my camera. Let me see what we look like in my office. Maybe I'll just spend like 5 minutes taking pictures. If it looks good in my office, guys, see my office. It is a complete disaster. Even my table, a complete disaster. I need to hang back this light on the wall. I need to like start arranging it, because if it's not organized by today, the pee-pee. Good job, Carson.
Mama, see the pee-pee.
I should see the pee-pee. How's your mouth this? What did you eat just now? Come, let me use wipes to clean it.
Okay.
Okay, I love what I look like, so let me quickly just set it up and see how I take really nice pictures quickly.
Mama, Mama, hold this. Okay, clean this.
No, it has not used down your face. This should be long enough.
Mama, at the mirror.
You want to look at the mirror?
I'm done.
You're done. What did you do?
To my makeup.
See, this feels like it's gonna be too long, too high. But let me set it up first and see what it looks like. Passing wait, baby. Yay! Kayla, so we're done for today. Do you want to say bye?
Ouch.
Do you want to say bye, Kayla? Say bye.
Bye.
No bye.
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 So wait, Cass and I say bye. Bye.
Bye.